Soft feet, soft feet. Hey, got. Try not to poke anyone in the face. Holly and Jasmine come in. Daniel starts to come, and y'all can kind of walk around. Some people check him out. And then the group behind you will break off into that new edition, and then y'all will go into the original phrase. After this, there's a hole. We don't know what's happening. And then I want you to get into your quadrants. And then when that music cue comes on, we're gonna do that new part. Sound good? Yes. Just for me to see what could happen in between.